This is the Algebra 2 EOC practice test number 2. All right, it says Fanny is making a rectangular blanket. The length of the blanket is 10 inches greater than the width, W, in inches. Write the function f of x that describes the area in square inches of Fanny's blanket as a function of the width, W. Enter your answer in the space provided. All right, so the first thing we know is that we're going to write a function, and it's going to be defined as f of w equals something. Okay, so that tells us right here that's what the name of the function is going to be. All right, so let's read the first part again and see what it says. It says the length of the blanket, the length is 10 inches greater than the width. So let's call the width W. All right, and then the length is going to be written in terms of the width. And it says the length is, so the length equals 10 inches greater than the width. So it's going to be W plus 10. 10 greater than the width. All right, so we know that a rectangular blanket is going to be length times width. All right, so if we know the width is W and we know the length is W plus 10, all we have to do is multiply those together. So we're going to have W times W plus 10. So we could write that here, or we can combine these and do W squared. W times W is W squared, and then W times 10 is 10W. So f of W equals W squared plus 10W. So go back and make sure that everything is completed. So it says write the function f of W that describes the area. Does this describe the area? Yes. In square inches of Fanny's blanket as a function of the width, W. All right, enter your answer in the space provided. All right, the answer for number 2 is f of W equals W squared plus 10W.